Hello everyone, in today's video I want to introduce you my virtual reality reinforcement learning lab, where I can interact with my agents in real time. As you can see here, I can use my force to manipulate these gigantic robots and see how he behaving. Right now he's just fall into the hole in the roof, and he still can manage to stand up again. It's very good. He's my best model so far. Let's take him out and place him to the scene again. You can see at the right, this is my second project. This is a humanoid agent, and she's trying to stay in stand position, because when she fall, she get penalty, and she's trying to do this again. At the right, you can see other humanoid agent, and she is trying not to stand but to stand up, and she is getting reward when her head in specific distance from the ground. This is also humanoid model, but I'm experimenting with scaling. I want this agent to be not that big as previous one, because there is a factor where Unity physics can handle huge physical models better than small ones, and I am trying to improve this. As you can see, I can again manipulate robot. He's standing. He's trying to stand up. Come on, let's go. Yeah, well done. And that was a small robot. This is even smaller robot. I can use my controller to manipulate with them. And also there is a much smaller robot, very tiny, that even Unity physics cannot handle this type of tiny robots. So I added it just for fun. Also, I have a pool full of robots in my scene. This is amazing. By the way, all this agent is calculating in real time. I can again manipulate with them, with this bunch of robots. This is actually really funny, because of how they behave like some non-Newtonian liquid physics, but this liquid made of small reinforcement learning robots. This is absolutely amazing experience for me, because I feel like I'm really the god of this place, and I can do whatever I want, even create my own artificial life forms. See these showers of my robots, so fun. I can also rescale them, bigger or smaller. But when I rescaling them, there is also Unity physics constraint, and they will break if I do this. Also, I can stretch this robot. See, it's really funny physics interpretation of Unity when I'm trying to stretch these robots holding his different limbs and stretching them into opposite directions. There is another robot, hive of robots. Funny, I can throw them. I can rescale also different parts of this robot, not the entire robot, but for example only his leg. As you can see, this is now kinda disabled robot with huge legs, and he is not able to stand because of this gigantic leg. Oh, he is managed to jump now. Okay, it's interesting. Also, I can make them very big, and Unity physics start lagging a bit, and rescaled robot just became a robot crazy fly and flew away. It's funny. I also can throw this robot like in bow style or slingshot style. You see, I just pointing controllers into different directions and just throw these robots. This is entertaining. I can do this all day actually. It's so funny. Let's rescale more robots and see what will happen. Let's throw one robot into another robot. Okay, I miss. Let's try again. Oh, this flew away so far. Let me get out of this pool. Okay, because I forgot to add ladder. And also I have cube, my debug physics cubes. Let's put him there. And also I have very interesting button here, which calls make sharks. What does this button do? Let's see. And this button actually someone in my another reinforcement learning project with a meme called Tralalelo-tralala. This is a shark with shoes, and I was curious, am I good enough to manage this agent walk, to try, can this shark with shoes actually walk? And as you can see, they can. They was learned in a way that this agent takes rewards if agent approaching his target. And in this scene I put this target into my virtual body, so all these sharks simultaneously is trying to approach me. They slow, but they capable of approaching me. Let's throw some sharks, and if I be patient and wait long enough, okay, we're done here. Let me take this anime girl again, and I am curious what will happen if I will try to rescale my gigantic robot. What will happen? Give me a minute, I am approaching it. Let's make this anime girl fly. Up, hold it. Okay, just put her here, and this gigantic robot, and yeah, he is also breaking when I am rescaling him. But again, this is video about overview of my virtual environment to show opportunities to interact with my reinforcement learning agent. So basically I can do in real time whatever I want. In real time I have access to Unity editor from my laptop, and I can add some new logic basically in real time to see what it does, what it can do, what it cannot do. I can rotate them, shake them, and observe result of my training. Also, this robot is not capable of stretching. I think this is because of his size, but I can still throw him like a slingshot. Also, I can do this with this anime girl. Okay, nice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Also guys, write in the comments which creature you would like to see next in my laboratory. See you guys in another video.